Chapter 1. No one will save you. Take control of your life. Sometimes we feel sad or stuck. We hope someone will come and help us. But the truth is, most people are busy with their own lives. They are trying to solve their own problems. This truth can feel painful at first, but it's also freeing. Once you understand that no one is coming to save you, you become stronger. You stop waiting and start acting. No one else knows exactly what you feel or what you need. That is why you must take control of your life. Don't waste time feeling sorry for yourself. Don't expect friends or family to fix everything. Stand up, take responsibility, and make a plan. The power to change is already inside you. Chapter 2. Life doesn't owe you to earn everything. Some people believe that life should reward them just because they are good or because they try. But life is not always fair. It does not give success or happiness just because we want it. The world rewards results, not effort alone. If you want something, you must earn it with action and discipline. Complaining won't help. Blaming others won't change anything. Ask yourself, what can I do to improve? What steps will bring me closer to my goals? This mindset will push you forward, while others stay stuck. No one owes you anything. But you owe yourself your best effort. Chapter 3. Stop talking, start doing. We all love to talk about our dreams. We say things like, I'll start my business soon. I want to lose weight. One day, I'll write a book. But talking alone does nothing. Dreams need action. It's easy to say what we want. It feels good to imagine success. But if you never begin, nothing will change. Start small. Take the first step today, even if it's not perfect. You'll learn along the way. Action beats overthinking. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation comes after you start, not before. Chapter 4. Be your own hero, no one will rescue you. It's easy to wait for help. But help might never come. You must decide to be your own hero. Yes, it's hard. Maybe no one understands what you're going through. Maybe you feel alone. But your strength grows when you keep going anyway. Great people often begin alone. They build their strength in silence. They keep showing up, even when no one is watching. You don't need a cheerleader. You don't need permission. All you need is your own courage to try. Chapter 5. Win the morning, win the day. Time is your most valuable resource. One of the best ways to take control of your life is to wake up early. The early morning is quiet, peaceful, and full of potential. It's the best time to read, write, think, plan, or train. People who wake up early often feel more in control. They don't rush. They don't feel behind. They set the tone for the rest of their day. Waking up early is not about being special. It's about being consistent. Don't waste these golden hours on your phone or social media. Use them to grow. When you win your mornings, you build momentum, and that momentum changes your life. Chapter 6. Feelings don't decide, do it anyway. Some days you feel strong. Other days you feel tired, lazy, or unmotivated. That's normal. But successful people don't wait for perfect feelings. They work even when they feel down. They know that discipline is more important than emotion. They do what needs to be done, whether they feel like it or not. Your emotions will lie to you. They will tell you to rest, quit, or delay. But your goals don't care how you feel. Your results come from what you do, not how you feel. Every time you act despite feeling low, you grow stronger. That's how real progress happens. Chapter 7. Train your mind like a soldier. Your mind is your strongest weapon, or your biggest weakness. Just like your body needs exercise, your mind needs training. You must learn how to focus when there are distractions. Stay calm under pressure. Control your thoughts and emotions. This is called mental toughness. When your mind is strong, you can keep working, even when life feels difficult. You can stay focused, even when others are wasting time. You can stay calm, even when you feel stress, fear, or doubt. Practice daily. Put your phone down. Do deep work. Push through discomfort. Train your mind like a soldier, and nothing can stop you. Chapter 8. Outwork everyone, become unstoppable. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from consistent effort. The most successful people are not always the smartest. They are often the ones who keep showing up when others quit. Work harder than you think you need to. Stay focused longer than you want to. Don't do just the easy work. Do the necessary work. Work in silence. Let your results speak. Outwork your old self every single day. That's how you become unstoppable. Chapter 9. Pressure is a privilege, use it. Pressure feels heavy. You feel stress, fear, or nervous energy. But pressure is not your enemy. Pressure is a gift. It means you are doing something that matters. It means you are growing. Instead of saying, "Why me?" say, "Try me." Pressure reveals your weak points, so you can fix them. Pressure helps you focus. It removes the unimportant things. Don't run from it. Learn to breathe, focus, and move forward. Pressure makes diamonds. Let it make you stronger. Chapter 10. Fail harder, grow faster. Failure hurts, but it's also the best teacher. If you never fail, you're not trying hard enough. Most successful people failed many times before they won. They didn't give up. They didn't stop. They learned, changed, and tried again. Failure is not a sign to quit. Fail early. Fail often. And keep going.